All right, guys, here we go. A little follow-up from yesterday's video. We did one on Apple and Caterpillar regarding where we went short and why. And this is a little follow-up here. And those that didn't see the video, just a real quick update here on that, on the play, how we came into it. Number one, we had this uptrend line. See, we hit it one, two, third time. High odds, high probability, third hit, you're going to pull back from that trend line because it's been previous resistance. Same if the price was coming down into a uptrend line and bounces. The third time, a lot of times you will get, a bounce back up to the upside. Also, we have this gray dash line. Our Patreon members and the people that invested in the introduction micro futures trading know what that is. That is a 90% probability of success as resistance as you come up into it, and of course support as you come down into it. Okay, then we had a trigger here. If we took out the previous green candle because we were on a time count at the blue dash line, we did that and we're still holding short Apple. And we come down. I'll just go ahead and tell you this little secret. We come down into this high pivot area there. Let me put that blue for support. We come down here and into the 20, that's when we'll probably take it off, or we take out the current candle that we are on. Okay, real quickly, Caterpillar. Okay, we got into this trade. Well, first of all, you want as many factors on your side as you can. Okay, here we had a sell-off candle, number one. Number two, we're trading in the direction of the 20. Number three, had a real strong time count here, so we went short. Still holding that short position because we are now under the 200. That's very, very bearish. You don't want to be under the 200. And also from the video, if you go back and look at the video yesterday, we were saying if we cracked that 200, started trading down there, it was pretty good odds that we'll come down here and fill. Actually, this is pretty actually better here. We'll fill this gap zone here. All right. So there's still plenty of area to go lower. And then also there's not really, unless we go trying to see where any support might be. Maybe this little gap fill. Well, it's not really gap fill because we did it there, but this area here, support, and then it's open season down to here. So we have one, two, potentially three areas going through this blue dash line here of previous where we tried to come up, didn't make it, but they gapped it up the next day. So yeah, it's going to be a pretty high target area around that 200 uh, price zone there. So we'll see how all that works out. But appreciate you watching. If you want to learn how to do this, you need the right training with the right person. Come join our Patreon members group, and or we have our introduction to micro futures that explains all this, as well as the micro futures. If you've seen some of those videos. But thanks a lot, and we will see you on the charts.